just got my new Leaps Rebounds Rebounder. It is big.
It's really big.
Heavy duty, baby. My new Leaps and Rebounds Rebounder has arrived. It comes in 48 inches. We have to assemble it. It's pretty easy to do so. This is the American edition, and I have Miami blue, and I got a set of socks that came with it. Wes is eagerly reading the directions to put it together. But like I said, it's pretty easy, and the bungees are already on. Literally all you have to do is pop in the legs. Like, it's already assembled. That's why the box is that big. So we'll be seeing this on the YouTube channel soon, and I will tag my discount link and promotion code below.
These things like come off.
And then you just plug in the legs.
You just, twist them on.
I mean, it literally couldn't be easier.
I like this color.
Yeah, I'm excited about the color.
This is the color of my mongoose bike.
Of your what?
It's mongoose BMX bike that I had.
Oh, I was like, we're not buying a motorbike.
No, it was a
Wes, the professional rebounder assembler. Okay, so total assembly time, I'm gonna guess, is honestly
10 minutes.
Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes, because this, like, everything on this, like, the circle part, the actual rebounder, was put together. I didn't have to do any of that. The final leg. She's a beaut.
Action.
She's ready. Wow, this 48-inch one, there's a lot more space. Oh, I'm excited. I love the color. Thanks for putting it together.
Yeah, no problem.